Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing very good. See, children, physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So, here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So, today I brought you one more question that was asked in the previous year board examination in the question paper set number 31/5/1 for 2 marks. The question goes like this. Define power of lens. Find the power of lens whose focal length is 50 centimeters. Right? Power of lens can be defined as ability of lens to converge or diverge a parallel beam of light rays is called power of lens. When a parallel beam of light rays falls upon the convex lens, it will converge the light rays towards a point. That point we call as focus. So from here to here, this distance is called as focal length. So if this lens is able to converge light rays, then the ability of the lens is more, then it will converge the light rays towards a point here. If it is not able to converge light rays, it will converge the light rays a bit far. So if it is more able, it will converge here itself. If it is less able, it will converge here. That ability is itself power. So if it is more power, focal length will be less. If it is has less power, focal length will be more. That's why power of the lens and focal length will be inversely proportional. From there we will get P is inversely proportional to focal length. Proportionality constant will be 1. So P will be is equal to 1 by F. So this power we measure in diopter. Diopter is SI unit. So focal length also should be in SI unit only. So they ask to find the power of lens whose focal length is 50 centimeters. Centimeters is not SI unit, centimeter is CGS unit. So many children will get confused when the focal length is given in centimeters, how to convert it into power. So I'll give simple solution. Rather than remembering one more formula, you just convert the focal length into meters first of all. What they gave? They gave focal length is equal to 50 centimeters. Correct? Convert 50 centimeters into meters, which implies 50 centimeters means 0.5 meters over. Problem solved. So now you apply this 0.5 into equation. P is equal to 1 divided by F. So P will be is equal to 1 divided by focal length is 0.5 meters. So this can be written as 5 by 10. 10 goes up. 10 divided by 5. That is equal to plus 2 diopter. That much only. Very easy. But children will make it so complicated, making this F by 100 something they will do, and finally they will not get correct answer. So like this, convert focal length. If it is given in centimeters, first convert it into meters. Afterwards you substitute in the formula, you will get easily. Thank you so much. If you are interested to join our online tuitions, you can contact. Thank you.